Hi kids, today I am going to drawing the snail, so let's move. First I am drawing the head to tail.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love and on the way I dropped it.
Now I am drawing the shell.
I dropped it and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Here I am drawing the grass and flowers.
On the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Super, this snail looks so cute. Now it's coloring time. Orange. I love to paint so much. Do you love it? Brown. Sky blue. Pink. I am going to painting with different colors.
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Violet.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish,
Red.
swish, all through the town.
Light green.
The wheels
Yellow.
on the bus.
Light green.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
Dark green. I love this snail so much. Do you love it? Yellow. Pink. Awesome. Finally the snail looks so colorful with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye bye cuties.